Central Wisconsin
Might
until
be heavy.
8:15 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Benton, or 9 miles northeast of Galena, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Another one.
Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Shellsburg, Benton, New Diggings, and Lee Mine. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for western Lafayette County.
Okay, still pretty
At
severe.
7:29 p.m.